Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll teach you how to do this fluffy flower look. I put on some milky white for the base. And then I went in and topped it with some matte top coat. This is to help the powder to not stick on the nail. So that's how it looks. And for the 3D flower, I'll be using some builder gel. If you have clear 3D gel, use that, because this one right here is very sticky to work with. I'm also using these 3D tools, 3D sculpting tools from Cassie Payne. I wasn't sure which flower I wanted to sculpt yet, but I always find out along the way. Now, if you're asking yourself why I use solid builder gel, I wanted a 3D look, but it's also totally fine if you use simple gel polish. Here you can clearly see how sticky it was. I also use a bit of alcohol, but if you use too much, it will get really slippery. So that's why I recommend using some clear 3D gel instead of builder gel. So this is the flower. The solid builder gel comes with a sticky layer, but I don't think it was enough, and that's why I went in and added some top coat. Now, this is my favorite color, red wine. These tiny containers are not very handy. I'm placing my thumb right above the container so that everything that falls off falls right back in. To be honest with you, I just grabbed the best tool that was next to me, but if you got a little nail art spoon, I think it's better if you use that. We want the top coat to absorb as much powder as possible, and that's why you have to keep pouring and pouring. And when it's just enough, we'll tilt it over and knock the excess off, but be very gentle. Okay, and once it's cured, we'll take another brush and dust the excess off. So now that the petals are done, we need to focus on the centerpiece, and we're just gonna repeat the same process. This is how it looks so far. I didn't like it that much, and that's why I decided to add another layer on top. You can clearly see the difference between the petals right there. And that's exactly what I wanted. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video.